Myself, Dr. Nagaraj MS. I am working in this institution since 1991. I have total experience of 35 years, and I did my PhD in power system from VTU under guidance of Dr. T. Anant Padmarao, and I have published more than 40 papers, both international and national level, and I have attended many conferences and workshops. So right now I am guiding 4 students. Already 2 students are awarded with the PhD. And my area of interest is fuzzy logic, artificial neural network, power system, and load forecasting, reactive power management. So about our department is electrical and electronics engineering. It is 42 years old. So about 1,800 students graduated from this institution, and we have the faculty member with average experience of 12 years, and many faculties are specialized in different areas like electrical power system, electronics, biomedical and computer science, and we have signed 2 MOAs. So we have the research center in the department, and of course I am looking after the research and development activities. So far 26 students rank from our department, and we have conducted many national and international conferences in the department. So we completed 3 projects sponsored by AICT under Model scheme. So this is all about our department. Thank you. So our program vision is to train globally competent quality students in electrical and electronics engineering through excellent academic inputs, innovative ideas and teamwork. So our vision is to enhance the quality of life of students through continuous learning and state-of-the-art technical education, to meet the long-term needs of the industry and society, to inculcate leadership qualities and ethical values, to serve the community for the social economic developments. So this is our vision and mission of the program. He is Dr. L.H. Anjaneya. He is working as an associate professor. Now I request Anjaneya to introduce himself.
Hi, myself Dr. Anjaneya LH, working as associate professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. My specialization is in biomedical engineering. I carried out my research in Biomedical Research Center of BIT under the guidance of Dr. Mallikarjun S. Vode in the field of biomedical signal processing. And I joined the institute in the year 2001 with a teaching experience of 21 years. And I am also the in charge of NCC of the BIT Institute. I carried out my research work from the year 2009 to 2014 with an experience of 6 years. And I have published 6 international and 4 national journals, and I have attended 4 international conferences.
She is Soumya Anand. She is working as assistant professor in our department since 8 years. So now Soumya Anand will tell more about her.
I am Soumya Anand. I have completed my MTech in Digital Electronics in GMIT College. I have 8 years experience. So far I have handled 6 subjects, and my area of interest is power electronics. Then I have published 3 journal papers, and I have attended 3 conferences.
I am Vidya GH. I done my MTech in Power System Engineering. I joined to this institution in 2018. I have experience of 3.5 years. Since I have handled 6 subjects, I have 4 journal papers publication with 3 conference attended. My area of interest is fuzzy logic and artificial neural networks.
She is my colleague Shilpa. She is working as a assistant professor in our department since 11 years. Shilpa, you tell more about yourself.
Good evening to all. My name is Shilpa S.T. Assistant Professor, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BIT, since 11 years. My area of interest is high voltage engineering. I have completed my MTech 2010 in UBET Engineering College. My area of interest is high voltage engineering.
Myself Ashwini A.R., working as an assistant professor in Electrical and Electronics department, working since from 1 year. Subjects handled are power generation and economics and measurements.
He is my colleague Niranjan S. He is working as assistant professor Niranjan, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Niranjan SH, working as assistant professor from last 3 years. My areas of interest includes power system security and renewable energy resources, and also I have guided 3 student projects and published 5 international papers.
Hi, myself Kirti Kumar SH, working as an assistant professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I have an experience of 3 years and I have published more than 4 international journal papers and guided more than 3 batches.
Hi, my name is Sandeep, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I have an academic experience of more than 6 years in the field of this domain. I took so many interesting and wonderful subjects in electrical and electronics engineering such as signals and systems, analog electronic circuits, power system planning, and energy auditing, renewable energy sources. I published 2 international journals as well as I attended so many national conferences.
Prashant Kumar HK. He is my colleague working as assistant professor in our department. He is looking after the electrical machine laboratory.
Hi, Prashant Kumar HK, having 8 years of experience. I'm interested area in electric vehicles, interested in PhD, and I've done journal papers, 4 journal papers, and published 4 conference papers. And I'm in charge of this machines laboratory. Here, major doing experiment on majorly transformers and DC machines. So we are conducting especially on the synchronous machines also. So we are doing here some OCSC test and load test on DC motor. So we are doing here.
Meet Mr. C. Shadaksharaya. He is working as assistant professor in our department. Mr. Shadaksharaya, please introduce yourself.
Hello, myself Shadaksharaya C, working as assistant professor in the institute. I am having a teaching experience of 17 years and I am looking after this HVE lab. My field of interest is actually machine learning and artificial intelligence, and I have completed my MTech in computer science and engineering. And some of the lab experiments I am going to show you in this lab are the first one, electrolytic tank. This one, electrolytic tank field mapping unit. This one is electrolytic tank field mapping unit, and this one microprocessor based relay. Microprocessor based relay and this experiment, and we are having around the set of 9 experiments. And major equipments, this one microprocessor based relay and this electrolytic tank. Along with it, I am going to show you others. We are going to have an impulse generator. Then we are going to have a 1 second high voltage testing relay lab here. And finally, we are going to, that is spear gap lab also, we are going to call it on as. This one, we are going to call it on as spear gap. High voltage spear gap. Particularly, we are going to use for spear gap testing. Transformer I will testing. This is one of the experiments in the high voltage lab. And these are some of the experiments that we are going to conduct in this HVE.
She is my colleague Vijay Lakshmi, and she is working as assistant professor. Vijay Lakshmi, please introduce yourself.
I am Vijayalakshmi S. Hadikeri, working as assistant professor from the past 10 years in this college. And my educational qualification being Diploma Telecommunication, BE Electrical and MTech Computer Science. I have the experience of teaching of 12 years of various subjects like DBMS, Java, Management and Entrepreneurship, first year Basic Electrical Engineering and so on. My research interest being web designing and image producing. And currently I am handling Power Systems Simulation Lab for the final year, and I am the in charge for skill development and project laboratory of the department. And this year we got 2 projects being selected under KCST and 1 project won best award in KCST from the state.
Meet Mr. T.S. Karmasaraj. He is working as assistant professor in our department. He is looking after the microcontroller. Karmasaraj, please introduce yourself.
I am Karibasaraj T.S. I am joined this institute in 2005. Currently, I am working as assistant professor. I handled like nearly 12 subjects. Okay, microcontroller, basic electrical, op-amp and linear analysis here. And my credit actually 4 publications here. I published in various journals and what conferences. In one conferences, I got actually first prize for my presentation. And currently, I am looking after microcontroller laboratory. In the microcontroller laboratory, actually, of course, we used to conduct actually 13 experiments here by using actually 2 languages here. One is assembly language and what embedded C. Okay. And currently, actually, I am in charge of what campus electrical maintenance, and also working as a department placement coordinator.
Meet Mr. T.M. Shivakumar. He is my colleague working as assistant professor, and he did MTech in electronics engineering, and of course he is looking after the basic electronics laboratory. Please introduce yourself, Shivakumar.
Welcome to the Department of Electronics. So I am in charge of this electronics laboratory. In this laboratory, so in our semester, we are going to do analog electronic circuits and logic design. In the even semester, we are going to do LIC and operational amplifier. So in the third semester, AEC and logic design, we are going to do major experiments on diode, transistor, FET, their characteristics. Similarly, in the fourth semester, we are going to do some of the experiment with respect to MU A741 IC, like comparator, differentiator, adder, subtractor, radar, like that, etc. So thank you.
Meet Mr. S.R. Basarayappa. He is working as assistant professor in the department. He did the MTech in power system, and he is looking after the control system laboratory and power electronics. Of course, control system laboratory is one of the important laboratory in electrical engineering. And now Basarayappa will introduce himself, and in brief, you tell about the laboratory.
Myself, Basarayappa SR, assistant professor in the electrical and electronics engineering department. My area of interest is power system, control system, artificial intelligence techniques. I am doing research in the END center. That is about power system, automatic generation control. I have published 2 papers. I am in charge of this control system laboratory. In the control system laboratory, there are 12 experiments about AC servo motor, DC servo motor, and MATLAB experiments, and lag lead compensating networks.